The 7-Day Fat Loss Meal Plan for Busy Women. Simple meals, no calorie counting, just real food that fits into real life. Let's be honest, most of us don't have hours to prep meals or track every bite in an app. But that doesn't mean fat loss has to be complicated. As someone juggling work, wellness, and real life, I built this 7-day meal plan to be simple, flexible, and realistic. The kind of plan you can actually stick to without feeling stressed or hungry. No tiny portions, no weird powders. Just food that makes you feel good and helps your body let go of what it doesn't need. Before we dive into the plan, go ahead and hit that like button. Seriously, it helps us out and lets us know you want more real, helpful content like this. And subscribe to the channel. This is essential for reaching a wider audience of engaged individuals like you. And make sure you stick around till the end, because we've got a free downloadable ebook to help you jumpstart your wellness journey. Why 7 days? Because it's long enough to see results, and short enough to feel doable. Trying to eat clean with no structure often leads to skipped meals or late-night snacks. But with a plan, you stay grounded, your energy stays stable, and you're way more likely to follow through. Here's how it works. You'll follow a gentle rhythm each day. Breakfast: protein plus healthy fat plus optional fruit. Lunch: lean protein plus fiber-rich carb plus veggies. Dinner: light, nourishing, and satisfying. Snacks: optional, but keep them protein-rich if needed. No starvation, no stressing, just smart eating. A sneak peek at the week. Day 1. Breakfast: Greek yogurt, berries, almond butter. Lunch: grilled chicken, sweet potato, broccoli. Dinner: salmon salad with olive oil and lemon. Snack: hard-boiled egg plus carrots. Day 2. Breakfast: scrambled eggs plus spinach plus avocado. Lunch: turkey lettuce wraps plus hummus plus cucumbers. Dinner: shrimp veggie stir-fry over brown rice. Snack: protein shake with almond milk. Want the full plan? The complete 7 days plus grocery list and prep tips are inside the Ultimate Fat Loss Blueprint 7-Day Kickstart Plan. It's not about cutting carbs or eating salad all day. It works because it's sustainable. You're fueling your body with foods that keep your metabolism steady, your cravings low, and your energy high. Inside the 7-Day Kickstart Plan, grocery lists and prep tips, 20-minute workouts, and easy mindset tools to stay on track. If you've ever said, "I want to eat better, but I don't know where to start," start here. You deserve to feel better in your body, and it doesn't have to be hard. Let this be your reset. As promised, head over to www.starwellnesssolutions.com to grab your free copy of Love Your Body, Love Your Life. While you're there, don't miss your chance to get our 7-day Kickstart Plan free when you pre-order our new book, The Ultimate Fat Loss Blueprint. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your biggest challenges with weight management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.